Hi guys, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. What's up? Welcome back to our class channel, It's AHA Class. The Honorable, our English lecturer, Sir Wali Ardiansyah. In this video, I would like to present my presentation about text structure. Before I start my presentation, let me introduce myself. My name is Utari Nuraini and I am the third semester student of Accounting Department from 3AH class in Polytechnic of Sriwijaya. I hope you guys enjoy watching my video, so let's get started. Background. Text structure refers to how the information within a written text is organized. This strategy helps students understand that a text might present a main idea and details, a cause and then its effects, and or different views of a topic. Teaching students to recognize common text structures can help students monitor their comprehension. Benefits. Teachers can use this strategy with the whole class, small groups, or individually. Students learn to identify and analyze text structures, which help students navigate the various structures presented within non-fiction and fiction text. As a follow-up, having students write paragraphs that follow common text structures helps students recognize these text structures when they are reading. Create and use the strategy. To create the text structure strategy, teachers should choose the assigned reading in and introduce the text to the students. Second, introduce the idea that texts have organizational patterns called text structure. Third, introduce the following common text structures, or see chart below for more detailed information. For example, like description, sequence, problem and solution, cause and effect, compare and contrast. The last is introduce and model using a graphic organizer to chart the text structure. To use the text structure strategy, teachers should first show examples of paragraphs that correspond to each text structure. Second, examine topic sentences that clue the reader to a specific structure. Third, model the writing of a paragraph that uses a specific text structure. Fourth, have students try write paragraphs that follow a specific text structure. And the last is have students diagram these structures using a graphic organizer. 7 common text structure. First, cause and effect. This text explains something by highlighting an event and detailing the result. Science and history texts often use this structure. Keywords to look for include because, therefore, and why. Second, chronological. This text organizes events in the order they happened. This structure is common in current events, history, and in works of fiction or memoir. Keywords include time markers like first, next, then, and finally. Third is comparison and contrast. These texts are basically descriptive, but deal with 2 or more topics or highlight similarities and differences between them. This structure is useful in all subjects. Keywords include more, less, as, adjective as, then, and however. Fifth, order of importance. These texts present facts or information in hierarchy, typically with the most important item first. This structure is often used in news stories and science, but can be used in a range of topics. Keywords include most, least, and important. Fifth, problem and solution. These texts begin by laying out an issue and then explaining how to solve or rectify it. This structure Its common is science, math, and social studies, as well as a wide range of informative articles. Keywords include issue, problem, trouble, fix, solve, and how. 6 is sequence or process. Similar to chronological text, this structure puts items in order, but with an eye to explaining the way something should be done. This is often seen in lab reports and how-to pieces. Keywords include time markers like first and next, as well as how and why. And the last is spatial or descriptive. This text describes a scene, typically organizing that information by location. For example, describing a room by moving from the doorway to the opposite wall. This structure is used in fiction and non-fiction alike. Keywords include prepositions like above, below, behind, etc. Adjectives are also a hallmark of this text structure. I think that's all enough. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoy watching my video and you will understand about my explanation, and this video will be useful for all of us. Goodbye and see you on the next video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.